Welcome back to the Crud Builder, everybody. And this will probably be my last video for a little bit because the season is over. So, aftermath of Boulder County Fair, car's not in bad shape. Carburetor still acting up a little bit. Driver's side held up. She's nosing a little bit from some of the front end hits I took. Rear end is doing exactly what it needs to do. You can see there's the first notch we made. There's the second notch we made. This whole thing's just rolling up nicely. And it'll continue to do so. Same story over here, it's just a little bit canted. So I gotta do a little bit of clearance on this side. What put me out of the show was this guy. That funky fix I showed you on my lower ball joint, it did not hold. And so that broke, and I was pretty much done. I was deep in the mud, and this tire being sideways, I really couldn't get myself loose, so I timed out. Went out 8th place out of 13. So at least we were able to finish the season a little better than we started it. Motor ran great. Again, carb still feeding a little bit too much fuel in there, so some adjustments to be made. I'm gonna take a few weeks off, and then we'll start the next series in how I'm gonna rebuild all this and make it stronger. I got some custom spindles that we're gonna make out of some trailer hubs for the front, so we can get away from stock spindles. It's just gonna be a much stronger car. We're gonna use an I-beam to bend the frame back down, and then we're gonna plate where it bend with our fix-it plates that we're allowed to have. We're gonna have a better carburetor for next year. Everything about this car is gonna be stronger for next year. So it was a long process, long build. Not the best results in the world, but it'll go a lot faster this winter and into early next year, because heck, 95% of the car is built. So thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Please share if you have folks that are interested in Derby, what it takes to build a car, and I'll see you guys all on the next one.